Let's roll.
Yung phone mo.
Ay. Tayo pala mag-almusal na muna.
Check out sa work.
Tapos check out na 11 o'clock. Alright. Thank you, Margaret Bill. Right? Right there. Breakfast with my special guest again right here.
We're gonna go breakfast.
Meron tayo ang ating almusal. Alright. Yeah. To the left, to the left.
No,
Right there, the Kamande bar. Oh, sorry, it's closed. Hours. Yung. Sausage ready. Bacon tayo. Oh. Palang bacon. Ito na. No. Boss, no more bacon?
Yeah, there's more. Is it empty?
It's empty, yeah.
I got some for you.
Alright, thank you. Naubusan, magre-refill. Siguro nagre-refill. Alright, thank you very much. Yes, no worries. People are hungry.
Well, did you come up with it already? Really?
Magkakape muna, magkakape. Ayan. Sa Jacob yung kulay pula. Kaya. Sa panghalo. Ayan.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you.
Antoinette forgot.
Oh.
Birthday!
Try the homestead style gravy, it's good. Ay, ito.
Huh?
Home style gravy, that's good. Wala yung ating almusal.
Ricardo, French
Happy
vanilla.
birthday to me.
Gonna taste it.
Yes.
What? French
Alright.
vanilla. They have mocha also.
Shout out.
It's good. says a mocha tea. You don't like it?
No, it's good. I just like it.
Oh, it tastes good. Homestyle gravy is good. Perfect.
Nag-refill na sila ng sausage.
Nangingi ako eh. Ay, nung bacon.
Hindi pa nag-refill.
815.
You remember?
815?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
Remember?
I thought it was 805.
No? Antoinette, I didn't know you're that dumb.
I'm really bad. Number.
Mm-hmm.
Your uncle look like a Dora the Explorer.
Alas 6 yata, gising na yun.
Naglalakad pa ata mo ngayon eh.
Mm-hmm.
Kaya mapayat. Dapat magganong ka rin, daddy. Para sa isgigili ka maglalakad ka.
I'm gonna tired.
Dati payat ka naman ah.
Dati yun. Oh, yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kasi saan kayo?
Mga gaya.
Birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Arvin. Kuya. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy 60th birthday.
Too old, man.
How old are you?
Something like that.
Magpe-50 lang. Grabe ka naman. Almost.
He's almost there, bro.
Almost.
He's almost there, bro.
I'm too young to handle, man.
Yeah.
Would you like another cup of
Yeah.
water?
Yes, please, my friend. Hi, dear Filipina. My Filipina friend.
Pilipino ko kaya?
No.
Oh.
He's not Filipino, my friend. He's a Mexican. She's Spanish. You gotta get my food. $10 lang pala yan dyan, oh.
Yeah, yan lang.
So, pwede ba natin iwan na sasakyan natin dito?
Hmm.
Ha? Tapos mamaya natin pick upin?
Hindi, mag-load na tayo. 11, matataranta tayo.
Tapos nakapark lang doon.
Yeah, pwedeng ganun. Pwede. Ay.
Plates po na pwede kong makuha.
Oh, yeah. You Filipina. You, I thought you Spanish too.
Napakaganda po ninyo sa Pilipina.
I know,
Kala
maputi
namin
ka eh.
Spanish.
Akala ka Spanish ka eh.
Hindi, Philippines.
Kaya yung isang Pilipino ng isang Mexicana, sinabi ko, you Filipina, ha?
Ay, yung isang kasama ko, hindi, Mexican.
Mexicano, no, mga Mexican, no, you Filipina.
Pero mukha siya.
Yeah, mukha.
Kayo po kala namin Mexicana.
Hindi, ako lang ang ano dito, Pilipinas.
Oh, no.
Isa ko lang.
Kala ko pati yung mapayat yan dun. Yung
Ay,
mapayat.
hindi. Siya naman taga ano, ang Dominican Republic.
Ah, dumingin ka mo rin pala.
Wow.
Parang, ako nga lang ang Pilipinas.
Ang gaganda po ninyo.
Ilan taon na kayo nagtrabaho dito?
Ako, 5 years na.
Oh, nice.
Tagal po.
How is it though? Kamusta
Dito
naman?
sa Ligtaho.
Oo.
Ako gusto ko dito kasi 15 years na ako dito eh.
Oh, may family na kayo dito.
Oh, dito.
Covered the thing, the sauna. It's broken, I think. They put a tape.
No, It's really low.
Never. Oh. Happy birthday to me again. Second round. Alright. Wala pa rin sausage. O yan pa. Oh, wala shit. Dali mo yung isa. Alright. We're up to go. Bye, Taho. Oh. Pil na pil. Tataranta si Pretty Boy. Paalis na. Nalulungkot. Ayan. Pauwi na tayo. Ay, may pupuntahan pa pala tayong isang gagawin rito. Ano?
Dati gusto kanya ka talaga tumuto para
Ayun.
sa
Ay, doon, narito yung
si ate Sila.
Hindi mo na kailangan gawin yun. Nakakaya. Unahan dyan. Nakatoka yan. Nakatoka yung paglilinis. Pero ba, paalam ka na.
Bye, Vino.
Bye. Alright.
Si ate.
Te, salamat!
Ate, sa'yo ba yung kwartong yun?
815 sa'yo ba?
8:15 sa'yo yun?
Ah, sige.
Nag-iwan kami doon. Baka kunin ng iba.
Salamat!
Alright. Alright,
Thank you.
Morning.
Good morning.
See you later, Isabel. See you next time.
Thanks, Isabel.
This is heavy.
Man, napakabigat. Hirap paghila sa carpet. Ah. Boy! Oh. Oh, pupunta. Alas na. Si Pretty Boy, nalulungkot na at wala nang pre-almusal.
Wala na pagkain. Gusto ka na ito.
Pagluluto ka na naman. Alright. Di ba natatanggal sa sapatos ko?
Natanggalin sa isa. Akala hindi naman. Okay lang.
Oo. Oh. Ano mo? Kulay prelis sa kanya na. Let's go. Ano?
Up to 12.
One?
In 12:30.
Yeah.
They will charge at 1.
Okay. Tapos na tayo noon. Tapos na tayo noon.
Umuulan din.
Kahit na.
Nakaka-over ka pala yung
Dala tayo payong.
we check out already, but they said it's up. Yes. Yeah, they do. Alright, it's your turn, guys.
Alright. Excuse me, excuse me. Ano yung ating broom room? Thank you, boss.
Yeah, you just.
Hey, good.
Ano ng akin? Ano ba ito? Iwan ko ba ito?
Oh, dadali yan.
The water?
Yung kay Antoinette niya. Dadali pa ba natin? Wag na. Yung mga inuman.
I don't know.
Wag na, pabigat lang. Okay na. Ayan, babalik sa garahe. Susi. Yung... Makulimlim o maambon. May gulay. Good. Huling sulyap. Alright. Sa muling pagbabalik, Margaretaville, Tahoe. Yan ang umaga. Ha? Extra large yan eh. Yan ang ating umaga ngayon na linggo. Araw ng umaga ng aking kaarawan. Alright. Ha? Dito agad mo nga sa tonight. Oo nga rito. Tara. Dito. Okay lang. Turista tayo eh. Ay pag turista. Okay lang yan. Tawagan mo na si Antoinette para alam natin kung saan tayo pupunta. Agosto 24. Hindi na. Thank you, Lord. Ha? Ayun.
Guys, sa North Face.
North Face.
Dito.
Ambon.
State line at saka may North.
Ayun na, heaven.
Sports yan.
Ayun na. Dumiretso na tayo di. Maambon. Makulimlim. Pero marami pa rin nag-uuwian na, kaya medyo traffic na ang karsada. Linggo na kasi. Ayan.
Ansel, dito tayo.
Ano, saan sila? Tinawagan mo ba? Oh, naka-hold raw yung gagawin natin. Ganang umuulan.
Bawal.
Hindi, umuulan. Na-hold raw.
Anong oras?
Ewan.
I mean, that's gonna be all day though.
Ano?
Yan, dito.
North Fish. Ito, side. Mga 30%. Oh, ano, pretty boy.
No, that's still expensive though.
Ha? 30% eh.
I mean,
Ayan.
rice.
Mga 30. Magkano?
51, see? For a polo shirt.
Ito. North Face na kulay blue. And 223. Naka-sale ng 191.
May naman namimili.
Oh, naka po. Sarado. May gulay. Mas mag-resume. God. Ano sana ang gagawin natin? Ganang umulan naman.
Yeah, so it's expensive clothes. So when? Up to when? Yeah. Oh. Oh, okay. So,
Wala raw kuryente. Walang kuryente.
oh, they bought a ticket already?
I think so online.
They bought a ticket already and then we just...
Refund it.
Okay, yeah, because we were heading out.
Yeah, no, we're heading out on today. Well,
Tanong mo kung may parkingan sila.
you guys have a parking lot. 20 days left in the year.
There's a parking.
Right.
Parking behind?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's a multi-story parking.
Oh,
And they
that's good.
allowed us. The question is, park the car.
Where you gonna? Where you stop?
Margarita, Bill, right here on the corner of.
You gotta go behind.
Uh-huh.
You gotta go all the way Parkway.
Yeah.
See the complex there behind there? That's the parking.
Oh,
Multi-story.
okay. Thank you. Iikot pala. Yan. Meron. Meron raw.
We're in the heavenly thing. The ticketing.
Tanong ko lang saan sila.
You guys already bought a ticket? It's cancelled. I mean, it's not cancelled. It's still closed because of
Nasaan sila?
Where are you guys at? Back where? Stay here and have a little thing because they might open, you know, like.
Mulan,
Then
may kulay.
hang out over here. Where are you guys at?
Yan yung oras ng bukas at sarado. Pero pag umulan, cancel ang gandola. Punta tayo rito sa Heavenly Sports. Ayun na. Pero wala na sa kaso sara. Para naghihintay. Magtatalong ka ulit, ganun rin ang sasagot. Ha? Ha? Now we're gonna go inside. Punta kami rito. Heavenly Sports. Ayan, pressure na yan, plus tax. Mimili na naman si Pretty Boy. Ano natin? Sinuwede. Anong tatak? Wala palang tatak. Plain lang. Plus tax. Yun ang gandola. Ayaw. Sasakyan. Maraming naghihintay. Yun naman ang... Ayan. Standby mode sila ngayon at gumulan. Ayun, nakakyatin. Sa tok-tok. Oh, may nabalahaw na pick up. Anong gadola. Ayun, nakabitin. Pretty boy. Oh. Medyo malakas-lakas ang ambon. Nakawan. Ang gandola nakabitin. Ito naman yung kabila. Ayan. Sali tayo. Oh, maraming pera. Ginawang wishing well. Ice cream. Best little cafe.
Thanks, Les.
Pwede boy, nakakuha na ng kausap.
It's the only one. You got one?
Sa'yo to eh.
Ah? That's a gift? Ah, it's a secret? Ah, okay. I got a secret gift. Alright. Ito ba magnetic? Magkano? Ano pala presyo? Shirt of my bag. The name of the store.
근데 맥주 짠짠 진짜.
Ang mga bote-bote nila. First time ko nakakita ng ganitong chocolate. Big hunk.
I'm gonna get Vincent Vegeta and Piccolo. Alright. Mine is. Alright. No worries. Mine is Son Goku.
You almost drop it, man. The bottle. Dubai chocolate expensive. $16.99 plus tax. That's a small one.
Is there a bag today?
Yes. Leg taho drink. Price is $3.75. Thank you.
Hello, am I your baby?
Long sleeve. No pressure. Plus tax. Ay maglalakar-lakar muna rito at naghihintay tayo ng tawag dito? Ng power sa Gandula. Yan ang mga mamahalin na store, Patagonia. Lalo pang umuulan, lumalakas ang ambon. Simula umaga na yan. Ayan. Ayan. Alright.
Sorry, lubo ka na. Ayaw mo